Hi, my name is Muhammad Zakwani from Latif. My ID number is MH19040. So now I would like to present my final project presentation, which is for my product car, which is Ironic 350. So what is family car? First of all, what is family car? Family car is a car that can transport many passengers, can perform common life duty, got more spaces for staff, and a car that designed for overall comfort. Actually, family car is more suitable for a person who want to bring a lot of people in a car at the same time to a certain place. So what's the problem statement for this project? So most many family members are looking for a family car at the same time, want it to look sport and luxury. So there's so many people out there who still finding a family car which is suits them and also meets their criteria and needs. So we would like to produce the problem statement is how to solve the problem that they want a family car. So the objective of the project is we produce a Ironic 350, which is a family car, as brand new electric power family car, and it was attached with numerous special features for multitask and family duties. So the scope for this product is a person who loves doing multitask duties, or a family guy who loves to go everywhere with family members. So I would like to present my logo design. This is my logo design. The carbon fiber symbolize the durability of the car, and then we can see the yellow lightning. The yellow lightning is symbolize the electric powered car, as we know that this car was an electric powered engine car. Then the red stripes, there's 4 red stripes there, so it symbolizes sporty and greatness of the design. And then the last one is actually for the whole logo. We can see that upper left and lower right, that's a ZZ shape combined, and it was symbolized my name, which is Zakwan Zalatif, and it was the name of the brand creator. So for vehicle specification and features, the engine was full type electric. Electric motor is 2 permanent magnet synchronous AC lithium ion polymer battery. The voltage was 4 to 2 kilowatt. Capacity is 305 Ah. Energy is 115 kilowatt per hour kWh. The power was 350 kilowatt. The transmission was 1-speed automatic, since it was electric car. So the driveline all-wheel drive, full type electric. Electric motor is permanent magnet synchronous motor, and battery system is LiPB, which is lithium ion polymer battery. So the chassis, steering system, it was electric power steering, which is commonly used in most of the car in this world. So the brakes is 4-wheel disc. Suspension was double wishbone suspension with active suspension management, front and rear axle. And then the tire and rim was 21-inch alloy. For the measurement, the ground clearance was 155 mm, overall length is 4,375 mm, overall width is 1,805, and overall height was 1570 mm. The weight for this car, the curb weight is 1810 kg, and the gross vehicle weight was around 2,190 kg. For the exterior features, we can see that there's a headlamp, front fog lamp, rear lamp, and so many features that was attached to this car. The first one is a headlamp, which is we use LED with crystalline element. The front fog lamp was adjustable and retractable for dynamic light system. The rear lamp, height mount stop lamp, and the side signal light was an LED. The roof spoiler was adaptive roof spoiler, which can be moved upside and down to switch with the speed of the car. And then the wipers was manual, front and rear, which The use can be manually. The body type was crossovers. Side mirror was automatic side camera. We don't use side mirror anymore, we use side camera. Then the camera will see in the from the inside there's a LCD. Then the windshield is thermochromic window type. Thermochromic window type is like a normal window, but it can prevent more heat than normal window from entering the car. So the car will be quite cooler than the normal car. And then the interior features, there's a steering wheel which is leather and adjustable position with multifunction buttons. The start system is button, you don't use keys. The power window is auto up and down, and also thermochromic type, such as I said just now. Air conditioning is automatic with separate front and rear blower. There's a 5 number of seats. The front seats was slidable, incline and adjustable height with foldable table at the back with smart configurable cockpit system. Smart configurable cockpit system is like someone, when we drive a car, we will setting the seats according to our comfort, and then when other people want to drive a car, they will set the seats according to their suits, according to their comforts. And then there's a button to save the setting, and then we don't need to set again. We just push the button and then we can sit according to our comfort. Then the rear seat is foldable. There's also 4 ports of charging port, USB. Then the audio system is Bose surround system, 5 speakers. The speedometer was automatic flip LCD display speedometer, which is when the engine was turned off, then the speedometer will close and flip and become normal like a dashboard. And then multi-use LCD. Multi-use LCD is 7.0 inch display LCD with Bluetooth monitoring. This is for reverse camera and also used for side camera. There's actually 3 multi-use LCD. Then for safety and security specification, we have anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution, which is ABS, collision and brake assist, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, SRS airbag, front, near, overhead airbag, lane blind spot monitoring, vehicle stability control, individual seatbelts for every seat, and emergency stop signal and on anti-door lock system. Okay, so this is my design pitching. Actually there's more drawing that I made, and this is like the one who I think the nice one I draw for me. Then this is the final design. After I color the design, then this is what I got. The design looks suits with the white or silver or grey color. Then there's a brake rear light, lampu belakang. It looks like this. There's a signal light, reverse light, then the front light, and then this is the one interior design. So for promotion and marketing, the market price that we offer was around 125,000. This is because Ironic have the best features as family car and also got the latest technology, which makes it most sporty and looks luxury in its class. So I think it's worth and affordable for the price and the car. And then the targeted people for this car is a family guy or multitask person. So more stuff, as we know, more stuff could be taken for adventure or for daily activities. It's used to a family guy or multitask person, since it can bring more stuff and also have a refrigerator for daily use. Then the promo medium. Our promo medium, we choose to only put it on television ads, which more people can see the design, the features, and also the speciality that's shown in the video from the ads. It's like a simple promotion, but also can give a big impact to our productions. This is my promotional brochure. You can see that I explain about the Ironic, which is an electric powered car, and also mention the features and specialty. It was the first electric family car for Euronic brand. And then I should also show the market price and also some picture of the Euronic 350. So for the conclusion of this product in this new era, cars, especially family cars, are extremely useful and beneficial to humans in their daily life as they can carry more people to vital locations such as work, hospital and schools. It's not impossible if someday this car will become like a government car such as police car or also a JPJ car. It can almost change how people live their lives. People would be quite exhausted from walking long distance if there was no automobile such as car, which allow people go to other locations faster. So the car was innovated to ease our life. In addition, cars help people travel around with a great lots of freedom and may also be used for luxury and enjoyment. Every car has its own specialty, so we have to be smart to choose the one we need. That's all from me. Thank you.